Hey, what's up, everybody?
Some people asking me about the how I control my smoker, so I don't have to mess with it like I used to. So I figured I'd just make a video and show what I had and what I just upgraded to. So I'll flip the camera around. Alright, what I had was, it's an Arduino, little mini computer, an Uno. And then I was running it off a K-type thermocouple. And this actually controlled these fans, these computer fans. And then for, to stoke the fire and whatnot. And these are the adapters I made. They screw right on the smoker. If you see my smoker, you know what that looks like. But that worked good. I've been using it for a couple years. But the only way to change the temperature, like if I wanted to cold smoke or if I wanted to cook a little hotter, is I'd have to hook it up to the computer every time and change the values to for when it was set to turn the fans on and off. So what I did was, that, like I said, that worked for a while. Still works. But I upgraded to an actual P.I.D controller. This I'll actually be able to, I can change the temperature rate on the fly. I said this is set up in prototype mode right now. So I'll make a box for it. It runs off an SSR. So it's got DC voltage coming in and then DC voltage out. These are 12 volt fans. So it's got this just essentially works like a switch. The computer tells that when to turn on and off, which just turns the fans on and off. So this cord here, use your my 12 volt in, which is just a little adapter I found that's rated for 12 volt. So that's supplying power to the fans. But we'll go ahead and plug in the actual PID, and you can see how it works. It'll go through its startup and self-check, and you can see it's, pardon, it might be a little loud, but it blows some pretty good air. These are like, I don't know, 40 or 50 cubic feet per minute fans each. They're brushless fans. But you can see I got it set for 80 right now. It's 69. I'll grab the thermocouple and hold on to it and watch it rise in temperature. Once it approaches 80, it'll start throttling the fans. You see them throttling it? The computer already knows how fast it's going up, so it's going to shut them fans off a little bit quicker until it gets up to that 80 degrees. And then it'll sit there and it'll pulse the fans on and off, whatever it needs to maintain whatever I have set in the set value. So if I wanted to, sorry, the dogs are barking. So like I could change this to 225 if I wanted. You see, it's going to kick the fans on now. See it pulsing? But, see, it'll keep pulsing because it knows it's about that temperature. I'll grab the thermocouple again. There we go. set it right to it. So that's how I control the smoker with P.I.D. And it's simple to do. Does not cost hardly anything. You know, if you can source the proper stuff real easy. You know, I think I got $30 into the new setup. The Arduino setup with the fans is $30 total. I'm gonna unplug this. Just gonna try to. You see, it's trying to kick them fans on again. But anywho, so it's cheap to do. I know, like, there's this thing called a barbecue guru, and it don't even come with however you mount to your stuff. Now they make adapters for like your Weber and your Big Green Egg and stuff like that, but I built the smoker myself, so it's obviously custom everything. So I had to make my own stuff. But either way, they want like $700, give or take, for the exact same fans. A P.I.D controller that does the same exact thing. It just has a fancy sticker on it. So, like I said, people's been wanting to know kind of my little secret on how I control that. And I just have to make a project box. I'll neatly tuck everything in it. You know, obviously that's going to be a heck of a lot further from the fans. I just gotta, you know, I just run wire. But other than that, pretty simple. And that's how I do it. Well, have a good one, everybody.